Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you 3 easy methods to convert Word document to PDF. So let's get right into it. The first method is using Microsoft Word. Once you have your document open, click on the File menu in the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, click on Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Then, in the Save As Type drop-down menu, select PDF and click Save. And just like that, your PDF is ready. Moving on to second method using Microsoft Office web version. Head over to the office.com website and log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, select the Word app on the left panel and then upload your Word document. Click on the File menu, then select Export and choose Download as PDF. Your browser will download the document as a PDF file, preserving all your formatting just as it appears in Word. Now let's get on to the last method using an online converter. Open your web browser and head over to ilovepdf.com. Once you're on the site, click on the button that says Word to PDF. Select the Word document from your computer or drag and drop the file. After the file uploads, select Convert to PDF. Wait for the conversion to complete, then download your PDF file. And that's it. You now know 3 simple methods to convert your Word documents into PDFs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.